Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Good. So I'm Mahmoud Lakbiba from Morocco, but currently living in the United States of America, exactly in Wilmington, North Carolina. I've been teaching English for 8 years, both online and in person, to various students of different ages. I taught juniors, young learners, and adults, and I also taught different levels as well. I taught beginners, intermediate, advanced, etc. I have the black belt in Taekwondo. This sport makes me more active and energetic in teaching. I'm really confident that you will surely love my interactive lessons in which I make good use of technology and I integrate fun and engaging lessons in which you will feel stress free and comfortable to speak in English. I will teach you the four English skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, in addition to some grammar, of course. But feel free to tell me which language skills you want me to focus on. My lessons are well structured and well organized, and I use well known international textbooks. For now, don't hesitate, hit the button to start your classes as soon as possible. See you in class. Bye bye.